The following EA and broadcast at the request of the Chinese Health and Safety Government. We have detected a highly deadly virus that can be caught by touching or biting. Those who are infected can be aggressive. Our National Guard is trying to fight off these aggressive people. We now have a new law due to this virus. If you are seen outside of a building, you will be shot no matter what. Stay indoors.
Hello, this Ali, your news reporter for Flight 345 with groundbreaking news. This deadly virus known as .virus KIW-6532A is taking over the southern part of Asia. We strongly advise you to stay indoors, as this virus had been confirmed as a zombie virus in the whole history of the world and is quickly spreading. This flight will be landing at America, not India, due to this virus. As of now, our broadcasters have detected a ES alert coming in from the United Nations.
At the request of the United Nations and World Protection Agency, the zombie virus has quickly spread all over Asia, and it is making its way to Europe. All flights in the air must land at North or South America or West European airports. Over 10,234 people have died because of new laws and the zombie virus. We are killing these zombies from across the world, and after 5 months of searching, we have finally found a cure for this virus, and we have made a gun out of it to fight off these zombies.
As you see, this is map of USA. These circles indicate places that are likely to be infected if the zombie virus gets to the USA. Hawaii looks like the safest place to travel and take shelter. Please stay safe. End of emergency broadcast. Have a safe flight.
Okay, we are now back in the news. Now we are going to talk about the weather.
The following emergency at the request of the United States Protection Agency. A strange man has entered a hospital and walks very weird. We believe that this is a zombie that has gotten into American soil. We must act now and kill this zombie before it gets to others. Thank you for your cooperation. We will update you with more details on AT&T Channel 3 VIRUS.